Did you know that Frisbi360 has a shipping calculator as well as a duties and taxes cost calculator? Well, here on the bottom left-hand corner of Frisbi360, you can check out that button that will show the shipping cost before you even create a shipment. You can see how much it would cost to ship from one country to another by just putting in the country of origin to the destination. If it is inclusive, you can add the state and then putting in the cargo information. That can be boxes, pallets, or documents, the quantity, weight, length, width, and height of that item. And then for duties and taxes, all you would have to do is where you'd be shipping the product from. For example, from the United States to the country, again, Canada. If you're shipping to Canada, add the item that might be already in there or add a new item that you want to ship from, how many units you'd be shipping, the homogenized code, that would be for import taxes and duties reasons on what the code would be that you're importing to that country, and then the unit price of what's being shipped. So all you have to do is calculate the result and help give you, the seller, more insight on what it would cost to send units from one country to another, both taxes and duties, as well as the shipping cost.